that is 2235 and 8811.
Then, does anybody know what yard this guy is going to in Chicago? If you do, let me know in the comment box below what yard is he going to. I know there's specifically a yard that they go to over there. Don't know the name of it. But if anybody knows, let me know. Here comes the end of this guy. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button for me. When you do that, it will bring other people here to my channel and they could check me out, so feel free to do that. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos I got? I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, if you could do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified. Also, if you could do me a favor, leave comments. What did you think about today's train video? Just curious. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. And thanks for watching.